Hey guys, welcome to my another video on robotics. Today I got hold of a very interesting topic of why the world is going insane about robotics and why their market is surging. So, stay to the last to know all the reasons I have compiled here for you. Humans are now in the constant phase of with the robots. We have surpassed that time when dumb robots were quickly adopted into the automotive industries that relied on assembly lines or other simple repetitive processes. But why I called them dumb? These robots had very limited functions that were too rigid and adaptable and comes with a higher price tag. That technology was accessible only to the industry giants. These new robots are more capable, more adaptable, can be updated more easily. They are built with the future in mind. Because of the technological advancements that have impacted engineering research and development, business owners can now invest in robotics automation with a peace of mind. Earlier, it used to take years of R&D for a firm to release a working product to their client. Development used to include too many phases and too many repetitions. Well, now, our computer-aided design programs allow us to design everything a lot smarter and check for mistakes before anything goes into production. Software such as Gazebo is digitizing simulations, allowing to see how their robot will fire before they decide to build it. Meanwhile, software such as ROS has simplified the communication for programmers between the sensors and the robot components. And finally, innovations in 3D printing has significantly brought down the lead time from as much as 16 months to as little as few days, at a fraction of the cost. Coming out of the technical aspects, what purpose do robots serve for the businesses? Rising labor cost and lower labor availability are forcing businesses to now consider robotic automation. The robots of today will be able to work around the clock all year long instead of 8 hours a day on weekdays. Robots also provide the added benefits of improved speed, accuracy, precision, and strength. Not to mention all the weight is taken off of the HR department. Gone are the days of injuries and liabilities, as these robots were truly created to perform tasks that would otherwise be too boring and dangerous by most people. All these reasons, then why would you not have a robot in your dream? To understand how robot replacement will happen, Wired, a famous American magazine, broke down our relationship with robots into 4 categories or quadrants. Let's begin with quadrant A. Jobs humans can do, but robots can do even better. Humans can weave cotton cloth with great effort, but automated looms make perfect clothes by the mail for a few cents. Next is quadrant B. Jobs that humans can't do, but robots can. Without automation, we could not make a single computer chip. A job that requires degrees of precision, control, and unwavering attention that our animal bodies don't possess. Let's consider quadrant C. The new jobs created by automation. We can remove a tumor in our gut through our navel, make a talking picture video of our wedding, drive a car on Mars, print a pattern of fabric that a friend mailed to us through the air. Last, quadrant D. The jobs that only human can do at first, like full-time musicians, mathematicians, athletes, fashion designers, yoga masters, fan fiction authors, and folks with one of a kind titles on their business cards. We could take up these roles, but, well, of course, over time, the machines will do this as well. Humans physically come in one standard, physical configuration. The same can't be said for robots. They can be built at any size, from the macroscopic nanoscale through to the myriad number of shapes and sizes, limited only by the laws of physics. They will also be made of advanced materials that will allow them to change their shapes in dramatic ways. Today, robots already take on many physical forms, including some that resemble spiders, birds, dogs, cheetahs, snakes, and even both. Humans are heavy, fragile, dirty, vulnerable, picky about their environment, and have a low tolerance for the space environment. For instance, high energy radiation, and extremely heat and cold, etc. The fragility of humans, our aversion for risking human life, and the all-too-human need for consumable require vast amounts of money to pay for the extra engineering and multiple redundant systems we demand to reduce risk to astronauts, as well as for the vastly larger support crews needed to babysit every aspect of daily life during a manned space mission. So what now? This is not a race against the machines. If we race against them, we lose. This is a race with the machines. We will be paid in the future based on how well you work with robots. We need to let robots take over. They will do jobs we have been doing, and do them much better than we can. They will do jobs we can't do at all. They will do jobs we never imagined even needed to be done. And they will help us discover new jobs for ourselves, new tasks that expand who we are. They will let us focus on becoming more human than we were. And it's easier to build robots than it is to make humans. Currently, robots have to be designed and constructed by us, but that's set to change with the introduction of fully automated systems, capable of manufacturing other robots on an assembly line. Learn something new today? Hit the subscribe button and check our Instagram, where I am sharing other amusing technical videos. See ya!